us as we mark this meaningful milestone. We're gathered here not just to cut a ribbon, but to celebrate the return of a resort that holds countless memories. Family vacations, weddings, first steps in the sand, and magical evenings watching the sunset. Over 3 years ago, Hurricane Ian took more than a building. It upended routines, livelihoods, and the familiar comforts that we all relied on. Many of our neighbors lost homes, possessions, and a sense of normalcy. For some of our team members, the road to recovery included displays It's the kind of pride that comes from watching crews return day in and day out, from seeing team members welcome owners and our guests again to enjoy the tropical scenery of Pointe Estero. It's a gratitude for the leadership of our board of directors, our Sunstream team, our local officials, the skill of contractors, and the unwavering dedication of our employees who, despite the countless setbacks, continued to look forward. Pointe Estero holds a special meaning in our organization's history, as it was the first property that is what now has become a 40-year history of Sunstream, placing our roots here on Fort Myers Beach. A few acknowledgments on my behalf, and Kurt will share as well. I'd just like to thank, at first, our Sunstream team. Our president, Dave Lawrence, who is not here this evening, for his leadership guiding the rebuild, and our Sunstream leadership team, including Kurt Brenner, Justin Lawrence, Monica Flowers-Cruz, and Sherry Mortensen, whose patience and sweat and their hands-on approach that made today possible. This afternoon's program will be brief. I won't talk much longer. Certainly will be celebratory. We'll hear remarks from Kurt on the rebuild and the improvements we've made here at Pointe Estero, followed by a few words by Mayor Dan Allers. We'll then invite you for the official ribbon cutting, as well as to tour the spaces here. We will have rooms available on our 16th floor to see the updated suites and take an opportunity to look around the public spaces of the property. Light refreshments, as hopefully you've seen, are available, both food to my left and drinks on the other side. As you take a look around Pointe Estero today, you'll notice some specific upgrades, elevated mechanical systems and stormwater improvements, redesigned public areas, and refreshed suites that preserve the resort's coastal character while improving its resilience. It was a $15 million and 3-year project that finally has come to fruition. But beyond the concrete and glass, what's been rebuilt here is our shared spirit. The genuine hospitality shared over a cup of coffee in the lobby, the local team members with jobs back, and the return of the memories in the making that make our resort an iconic piece of Fort Myers Beach hospitality. So thank you for being here, for holding space with us in this moment of celebration and recovery, and for believing in Pointe Estero's future. At this time, I'd like to introduce Kurt Brenner, our Director of Operations.
Thank you, Jen. Good afternoon, everyone. Today marks a milestone many of us have been working towards for several years. In the days after Hurricane Ian, I think we all knew the recovery was going to be longer than it was for prior storms. But I don't think any of us expected what was in store over the next 3 years. What followed was months of hard work, long days, and some tiring processes. But in the end, it's all worth it to welcome our owners and our guests back to this beautiful resort. Today, we're here to celebrate the results of those efforts together. We're proud to reopen Pointe Estero with the upgraded life safety and electrical systems. As Jen mentioned, all of the building's mechanicals that were previously on the ground floor have been raised to an elevated floor or are in a stand in the parking lot over my left shoulder. I especially want to thank members of our town council that are here tonight, Mayor Dan Allers, Council Member John King, and Vice Mayor Scott Safford, and Rebecca Lake. Thank you. I also want to take a moment to thank a couple of our contractors that are here with us tonight. Obviously, there were Over 60 contractors that participated in this rebuild, but there were 2 that we leaned on heavily for a lot of support. And Daniel Parent from Current Electric is in the back, and next to him is Sean Delaney from Tropical Maintenance. I also want to thank a couple of our board members that are here tonight, John Bowman and Steve Thielen. Welcome, gentlemen. But most importantly, I want to thank the Pointe Estero owners. Their patience and dedication to this process is what made today possible. So welcome, everybody. We look forward to being a part of the Fort Myers Beach community for years to come and creating memories that will last a lifetime. At this point, I'm going to turn it over to Mayor Dan Ehlers to say a few words.
I would never normally do this, but I think it's appropriate. Raise your glasses. Welcome home. So, you know, I had the, I would say, uneasy privilege of walking by here the day after the storm, and to see what you've created is amazing. I won't go back into thanking everybody that was already here, that has already been thanked, but to see what you've built, to see it come back, to see your neighbor property coming back. One step closer. Cheers.
Thank you. At this point, I think we will do the official ribbon cutting. If Steve and John want to join me.
Yeah, he wasn't. I thought that was the guy.
They're very sharp. So you know. Oh, well, yeah, let's take this one because it's a lot longer. You'll be in the middle.
Oh, he should be.
You want to?
We're down here at Pointe Estero on the south end. So excited to see them have their grand reopening. And they're getting ready to cut the ribbon now.
You're welcome to. Yeah, absolutely. And we'll go ahead and cut it. Let me cut it.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
Well, you had all your photographs.
I'm waiting for direction. Once I get you're on the other
Here come the big scissors.
Come on, John, do it together. Together. First time. Let us get a picture. I thought the mayor was supposed to do a trial. Say 1, 2, 3, don't cut yet, okay? Hold on.
Now they got to take the picture. Then you give it to their Exactly.
Boy, I've got a glare. Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3. And this one's real. 1, 2, 3.
Yay! All right, everybody, and there it is. You can see in the background the beautiful building. I mean, it's big. It's big.
Great. Oh, it feels so good. It's been so long.
For anyone who would like to tour the suites, we do have the 16th floor available, and members of our our team will be happy to show you around, as well as throughout the property. So enjoy yourself. The music will begin again. Help yourself to the
All right,
food and
everybody,
drinks.
thanks for joining me for another wonderful ribbon cutting. So excited to be here, see everybody out, having a good time, celebrating something super fantastic.